Hey y'all, it's Miso here. Welcome to my kitchen today. So glad to have you. Today we're going to be making something really special, really spectacular, really good. But the best thing about it is easy, quick, and simple, and still delicious. I'm going to make it, and you're going to make it too. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what this is. Whew, what does this say to you? It is screaming comfort food to me. Let's see what we need to make this happen. I see you got quite a few things here, but the star of the show are these beef short ribs, and they're quite pricey. For a little bit over 2.5 pounds, I paid $16.95 for them. That's quite a bit, so we better make sure they taste good so we get our money's worth. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just kind of wash these beef short ribs off. I used a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of room temperature water, and I cleaned them. And they look really nice, don't they? I have here dried them off, and I got them in this pan where I can season them. Not going to put a lot of seasoning because I want to taste this meat. So I put on some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, a little bit of cayenne, paprika, and some salt, dear. And this is going to be good, honey. So I have here some flour waiting. And when I get through rubbing all these seasonings in, I'm going to dredge these. Well, not dredge, but I'm going to just cover these in flour. I'm going to get all four sides, and I'm going to cover them in flour. I have a pan here with a little bit of oil in the bottom, and I'm just going to braise these short ribs. I'm going to just brown them on each side. Not going to cook them. They're not going to be done by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm going to brown them. I have my black-eyed peas while those are browning, and I'm going to go ahead and work these black-eyed peas. I'm just going through them, looking for any wormholes, any smudges, any discolored ones, any that are too small and hard and dry. I like to use China doll because you don't find too much of that in your peas. Some of the ones that are cheaper, they have rocks and gravel and dirt and a lot of wormholes, and you wind up throwing a lot of yours away. But with China doll, not so. Now, I'm not getting paid by them. I just have used them for years, and I think they're the best. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash mine. I'm doing this several times. After picking through them, I'm washing them, and then I'm going to drain them. Let me check back on this meat that is over here browning. And yeah, it's just about done all that I wanted to do. I've got it browned on every side just about. And like I say, I want to emphasize, not cooked, just brown. Smelling so good in here. Okay, aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? You know, all that flavor is in the brown. You could put them in raw, but we're going to start with them being brown, more flavor. You can use 2 cans of Rotel. But I have already made some homemade Rotel, and I'm just going to use mine. I put just a few flakes of red pepper in there. I'm putting my black pepper. I'm putting Hungarian paprika in, and I'm putting my black-eyed peas in on top of that. I'm putting a few little sprinkles of salt in, and I've cut up some shallots, and I put them in. I have some beef broth, and I am pouring that in. The entire quart, that's 32 ounces of beef broth. I'm getting my browned beef short ribs down into the liquid. I'm going to go ahead and cover these up, and then I'm going to let them cook for the time that this clock specifies. This pot says 35 minutes. I can have all of that done. So you saw the steam was coming out, and now I can open them up and see what we got in this pot. Oh, Lord. Isn't this magnificent? Look at it. Get a good look. You see how that beef is just falling apart? A lot of it has fallen off the bone. So I'm going to plate it up because it's time to eat. You see here that I made some cornbread while you weren't looking, but I've got several cornbread recipes here on my channel. So just put in Miso Making It cornbread and you'll see them. Look at that. Oh, I got some rice. This is basmati. I got some rice in the middle, and I got my peas and tomatoes and my beef short ribs all around. Now, I just want you to take a good look and see how tender these are. Oh, as I said, in many cases, the meat is actually falling off the bone. That's what it's all about. And these peas, let me tell you something about black-eyed peas. Even for you ones that think you don't like black-eyed peas, the tomato, the onions, the peppers, everything that comes in the Rotel or in the ones that I made here at home, they season these peas to perfection. The peas are so soft and like buttery. They're just so good. This is comfort food for me at the height. Look at this meat. I want you to just see. I want you to just see how tender it is. Now, whatever kind of rice you want to use, if you want to use just regular long grain, you want to use jasmine, you want to use basmati, whatever rice you want to use, it will work. Because the key here is the beef and these peas. Now, I could just eat these peas. They don't have to have the beef in them. This is wonderful for New Year's. Some of you that don't particularly like black-eyed peas, or you do like them, but you're looking for a new way to cook them, put these tomatoes, this rotel, if you don't have any sauce like that you've made at home, any rotel or any salsa, go ahead and use your 2 cans of rotel and then your quart of beef broth. Oh man, it will make these black-eyed peas scream, I know you gotta have me. I know you gotta have it. These are so good. I kid you not. The black-eyed peas, I can eat this. I don't even have to have any meat. Just give me the peas and the rice. But this whole dish together is just awesome. Awesome. I could nearly cry. It's so good. Now, like I said, I have made cornbread here. I don't even need the bread. This is so flavorful. Guess I'll put my fork down just for a little while because I should. But I got it back up because I want, you know what? It's just tasting at the end of every cooking is a fun part. You know, I like to do it. This is not tasting. You start with this. You can't just taste it. You wind up eating it. Guys, take a look. You got to do this at home. Do this for the holidays. Do this on New Year's. Change up how you cook your black-eyed peas. This is an awesome, awesome recipe that I have had for years. And it's just wonderful. It's really good. I kid you not. Get it on your table. You can do it. It's very easy. And if you have that InstantPot, it's even easier. It's like set it and forget it. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by today, checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing. And now you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. The ones of you that are already subscribed to my channel, I really thank you. And the ones that are not, please hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell until you get the parentheses around the bell. That way you know you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up or a like. That will help me promote my channel. It'll help me get more views, and I really need that. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and I'm on Facebook. Check me out. See what I'm doing over there. Say holla at me over there, and I appreciate it. Guys, I want to tell you this right here. I love cooking for you. I love it when you come by and see me. You don't have to. There are a lot of people on this channel. When you choose me, I am honored and I am blessed. Do something for me, guys. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. If you love yourself, you're better equipped to love somebody else. And you know a good way to show somebody you love them? Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I always say. Share your love, share your food. Bye-bye, guys.